recording. There you go. All right. Hold on a second. Okay, let me upload Delta Math real quick and we'll go. You guys should stop gossiping because it's all being recorded right now. So, okay. So we don't want to hear any kind of. Sure. Sure. All right. Okay, here we go. Number one is find the slope of a tangent line. You guys pretty good with this, or you want me to go? All right, so remember the difference quotient is the f of x plus h minus the f of x all over h, right? You have to get the, and this one, you don't just do the derivative right away. You have to actually plug it in here, all right? Plug it in and then simplify it. So kind of needs a lot of space. It'll be -9 and then x plus h squared minus 2x plus h minus 7. Bracket that off because that's this portion right here. Okay. Minus the f of x, which is just -9x squared minus 2x minus 7 all over h. Okay. Again, the first two problems just multiply this out. And wait, I'm not taking pictures. All right. All right. So then -9 and then x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 2x plus 2h. Oh, sorry, minus h, minus 2h. Minus 7. Is that right? Plus 9x squared plus 2x plus 7 all over h. I'm going to distribute this 9. So it will be -9x squared minus 18xh minus 9h squared. And this is part of this. So if you simplify, let's cancel as much as we can out. This is canceled. This is canceled. This is canceled. Here we have 3 h terms, right? So it'll be -18x h minus 9h squared minus 2h all over h. Which test do you need? Okay, and then factor out the h. It'll be -18x minus 9h minus 2 all over h, right? And then cancel. So you get -18x minus 2 minus 9h. I just kind of put them in different order because we know that as the limit, as h approaches 0. So this is pretty much canceled out. So this is -18x minus 2. That's a derivative right there. Okay, and then all you have to do is just plug in 10 in for the x. So it'll be -18 times 10 minus 2. Be -180 minus 2, which is -182. You guys get that?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Give me a second. Gabby, here you go. All right, any questions? We good? All right, number 2, we have to find the equation of this one. So remember, you have to do the difference quotient again. All right, but just know that if you just get the derivative, you're good there. And then multiply this so that this is the derivative of this. Make sure you get, again, you do the difference quotient on this. Okay, in the first two problems, you have to do the difference quotient. All right. Hold on, come on, print.
Oh, this is the difference quotient.
Yeah, so this f of x plus h minus f of x over h is a difference quotient. Okay. So make sure you do a difference quotient, but you realize then that the slope is 6. Sorry, at 6, it's gonna be 12, right? 2 times 6 is 12, so the slope is 12. Okay, and then you're plugging in the 6 into the original equation to find the y value. So it will be 6 squared minus 8, which is 36 minus 8, which is 28. So when x is 6, y is 28. Cool? Yeah, but can you come up here for the test? The formulas are. What problems are okay. All right, you're welcome. All right, so now, so it'll be y minus 28 is equal to 12, which is the slope, and then x minus 6. So this is the point slope form, okay, for the tangent line of x squared minus 8 at x equaling 6. Okay. But make sure, again, make sure you do the difference quotient. Do difference quotient. Okay. What we did for number 1. You have to plug it into that formula. All right. That's good? Okay. Number 2, number 3, given the function, write the expression. So all you have to do for this one is just put in the difference quotient and you don't have to solve it. So you just go the f of x plus h minus the f of x all over h. This equals 3, and then x plus h squared minus x plus h to the 4th power. That's one portion here, minus 3x squared minus x4 all over h. That's all you have to do. You don't have to simplify your answer. Or you can put limit as h approaches 0. No, but I'll give you the point for the. Same thing for number 4. All right, number 4 is pretty much as the limit as as h approaches 0. It would be what, 4x plus h to the 5th power minus 3x plus h all over h. Minus, sorry, I forgot to do the minus. This is a bracket. Minus 4x5 minus 3x. So you're just plugging it into the formula. That one shouldn't be too hard, okay? All right, yes,
Wouldn't the ending second, wouldn't it be plus 3x because the original function is
you're right,
plus 3x?
thank you. They're both plus, thank you. Anything else? I think we'll get rid of that.
You have to like have the derivative for the.
No, you just have to write it in that difference quotient form, that's all. If you did x plus 5 to the 5th power, it'll take forever. Actually, you're supposed to use the Pascal's triangle method, the binomial expansion, but I don't do that. It's too much. All right. We good? All right. Power rule. I forget the power rule. Here we go. Let me look that up. It was P times. Let me look at that real quick. Oh, power rule's not too bad. Okay, so this is what 5 times.
I forgot the power rule.
And I think we have to we move it up. It's 5 over 3, and then x to the negative 2 power, correct? right?
Yes.
So we multiply -2 times 5/3, which is -10/3, and then we take away another power. So at the end of the day, it's just -10/3x to the third power. And that's it. Okay. And then number 6 is the product rule. Product rule is, you want to get the derivative, it's what? The f prime g plus g prime f. So let this be f, and let this be g. So f prime is -14x minus 3, because the constant is 0, it turns to 0, times the g function, which is -2x cubed plus 7, plus the derivative of the g function, which is -6x squared, times the f function, which is -7x squared plus 10 minus 3x. Just leave it this way. You don't need to solve it out.
Thanks.
Okay, cool. We good? Life good? Any questions? No. And
What video?
quotient rule is, let me go back to quotient rule. I just have to, just trying to look for the quotient rule is f prime g minus g prime f all over g squared. All right, yeah. Is that g squared? Okay. So f is the top, g is the bottom. So the f is x minus 1, f prime is 1. G is 1 minus 3x cubed. G prime is -9x squared. So you just have to plug these numbers in, so that's not too bad. So it'd be 1 times g is 1 minus 3x cubed, minus g prime, which is -9x squared, times f, which is x minus 1, all over -9x squared squared.
Wait, is it G prime? Squared, or is it just G squared?
It's just g squared.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. You're right. So then it is, thank you. So it is 1 minus 3x cubed squared. Cool? Not too bad. Hopefully it's an easy test.
I was looking at the tote bag.
Oh, yeah. I know we love this stuff, you know. I hold this after it's all messy. What's up?
Do you have to simplify that?
No, just if you want to,
Will it give me extra credit?
maybe. Maybe we should simplify it, huh? I mean, you guys are an honors pre-calculus class, you know. Maybe I'll have you just do one, you know. Yes. Now, if I guess Danny makes the rules here, you know, so. All right. I know, seriously, huh? Danny can get away with anything. All right, chain rule, last one. This one's a little crazy. Which one? The any
graph paper, anything.
Wait, what's this last one? Given the function of y equals 5.
Use a chain rule on this one. Alright.
Did you poison that popcorn because I'm your opponent? Oh, powder puff.
So, for this one. You know how you have 5 and then 4x squared plus 3 to the 4th power? You have to get the derivative of this, bring it down, so that'll be 20. And then the regular function inside of the 4x squared plus 3 to the 3rd power. Okay. And then multiply that by the derivative of the inside. So the inside is 2 times 4, which is 8x, and that is it. Okay, so the final answer is 20, 4x squared plus 3 to the 3rd power times 8x. Just leave it like this. We don't need to do that. What? And that, my friend, is our pre-assessment. I hope that wasn't too bad.